Right, guys. So for this video, right, I will share about the usage of the tmux. So tmux actually is also quite similar to Beelbook. In fact, actually Beelbook is built on top of the tmux. So the main reason why we want to use the tmux, right, because it's a long-running terminal session. So meaning that after you exit from that session, right, you still can continue to run. So for example, right, let's say you want to execute a long running process that you will take like hours and hours. So instead of like you have to keep your computer on like connecting to the server, right, what you can do is using tmux. Another benefits of the tmux or the Beelbook, right, is that like after you created the session, right, with different layout. Let's say you created 3 panes or like 3 panes, like 3 windows. You can go back to the session that you opened up earlier without much effort. So first of all, right, how to go into the tmux, right? You can just do a tmux and then you will go into a new session of the tmux. But if you, let's say you already have an existing tmux session already, right, what you can do is to do a tmux ls. So it will show you, I think right now there is 2 session, right, or at here. So if let's say you want to create a new tmux session, right, you can do like this one as well. So just do a new -s, let's say my name. Okay, let's say if I'm creating a new tmux session, so you can see when it started, it's like started with pane. This one is window, so there's no pane, so you can create a new pane with the pressing on the prefix key. So the prefix key here, right, is ctrl-b. I think it's by default it's ctrl-b. And then let's say I want to do the vertical split the panes. So now right now I have 2 panes. Okay, so if I continue want to split another panes, horizontal one, so I will press ctrl-b and then the double quotation. Right, so this is all in the window 0. Okay, so let's say if I want to go back to the previous pane, right, I can do. Right, okay, let me just show you what we have in the wiki. So we already summarized all the important or the most frequently used keyboard shortcut. So let's say if you want to go back to the last pane, right, the command that you should remember, right, is the semicolons. I think this is the most useful lah. Yep, one of the most useful. Another one also very useful is to this one, ctrl-b q. So what happens if you press ctrl-b q? Okay, ctrl-b q again, you can see the number, right? I can press 0 again, then I can go to the pane 0. If I press ctrl-b q 2, I can go to the pane 2. So if I want to go back to the pane 0, right, instead of like pressing the ctrl-b q again, right now I can press the ctrl-b semicolons, ctrl-b semicolon, so you can just keep on switching your panes. Yeah, this is also I think very useful when you like need to keep switching between the panes. So to terminate the panes is like very easy, just ctrl-d, then you can kill the panes already. Another useful things that I find is the to swap the layout. So let's say if I do another, so this, let's say ctrl-b q, this is 1, right? So I put this is 1 and ctrl-b q, I go to 0, this is 0, ctrl-b q 2, right, this is 2. Okay, so if I do ctrl-b prefix and then space, it will change the layout for me. So like let's say if you want to change like from, let's say I close this one, so initially I have the horizontal splitting pins, right, but I need the information to be shown in a vertical, because so that I can see more things. So what I need to do is ctrl-b space. So all these things is already putting down in here. Next layout, so you can swap the horizontal split to vertical split and then back. Okay, so far okay, can follow? Okay, right, so to create a new window, right, you just need to go to the window navigation key. So these are some of the mostly frequently used keyboard shortcut. Like right now, I do a ctrl-b, C, I'm creating a new window. You can give the window a new name lah if you want, but I think here we didn't. Ctrl-b semicolon, you can try. So Ctrl-b, comma, window 1. So right now you can see it with the window now have a name already. So it will be easier for you to see lah. And then to see the list of the window, right? What you can do, right? You can do a Ctrl-b level view. So at here, actually, I think it has 2 sessions. So meaning the Ctrl-b level view command, right, is actually show all the session, right? This is the session, that initial session that we have, right? And then this is my name, is the new session that we created just now. So I can actually jump to different session with the Ctrl-b level view. So I think this thing is very, very convenient, the Ctrl-b level view, and somehow it show you all the layout and the window there. Okay, so yeah, I think already share some of the most frequently. So if you are not sure of the command, what you can do is like inside here you can do a Ctrl-b question mark, and it will show you all the command key that you need to use. So what you need to remember is the prefix key, Ctrl-b. Okay, so if in case someone changed, then you need to figure out what is the prefix keys again. So right, to detach the session, right, let's say you already done, or you are running something, right? Let's say you are running a sleep, or maybe like just hide there, okay? Then you say, okay, this is a long running process. So while waiting for it to finish, right, what you can do is that Ctrl-b detach. So you can see that the detach from session 1. To go back, right, what you can do, right, is to tmux attach, and then the T lah. T is like title, I think. Then okay, so just now that one is not this session. Should be it should be the first session. I think maybe it's 1 or underscore 1. Yeah, let's try 1. Yeah, so you can see it's still there. Whatever that I typed just now, meaning that if your process is running, right, it will continue to run, and you can continue from there. Okay, so okay, another thing that I find that also very useful is to hide other pins. Let's say right now you got 3 pins and all is useful to you, right? You want to keep it, right? But sometimes it's very small, right, the pin. So you want to make it like zoom to a big one. So what you can do is Ctrl-b Z, right? Then you can see like this, and then you can going back to the previous one, Ctrl-Z again. Okay, so far I think I already covered all the basics of what you really need lah. Of course, this one is called, okay, copy, and let me see, show keyboard. Right, okay, just 1 minute. Okay, never mind. So this one, you also can go into the copy mode. Okay, copy mode. Right. So let's say you want to copy the font, right? Some of the text from here, right? Okay. So let's say you want to go into copy mode, right? Ctrl-b, the left bracket. Then right now you're already in. You see, I can navigate to all the text, just like a Vim editor. So how to start copying, right? Press Ctrl and then lift up your finger. Don't press it together with the space. It will not work. So Ctrl, let go your hand and then press space. So right now you already start copying, and enter again. It will already copy. So to see the buffer, right, that you copy just now, right? Okay. Or right now if you want to paste, right, you can do Ctrl-b, the right bracket. So you see, this is what I copied just now. Okay, so to see the buffer, let's say I again going back to the copy mode, and I Ctrl space, I enter copy again. So this time, let's say I copy more, and then I can see what are the things that I copy in here to list the copy buffer, ctrl-b hash. So you can see just now I already have 4 buffers that I already copied earlier. So if I click on that one, ctrl-b hash, can I, okay, I'm not very sure how to actually get back from here lah. But if you want, I think you can copy it or you search online lah. I think should be able to get from the buffer, meaning that I choose this one and I can copy paste the things back to my terminal. Enter copy mode. Okay, so share. I think this one most likely not needed. So Vishnu, can you try? Go into the tmux A and then minus T and then 1. See whether you are able to see what I'm seeing. tmux A minus T 1. Huh? Can see? Can see, right? So this one also same as like Bilbula. So question? Any question?
When will I use this overview?
Huh?
When will I use this overview?
I think Bilbo, some of the functionality is not there that I remember. So we can just choose one to use lah. Yeah. If you're already familiar with Bilbo and give you everything that you needed, you can continue to use Bilbo. But if you, in case like you found something that you needed is not there, then you can use this one. I think Bilbo have some keyboard conflict also with the OS. Maybe I can't remember. There's some reason that's why I started looking at this thing. One of the things that I really like about this pane, right, the swapping, I can go to 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, that one. I'm not sure the Bilbo also got, right? Yeah. So can. So like right now Vishnu is typing something so I can see also. Just like any other questions? Vishnu? No? All good? Desmond? All good? Means no idea. So can start using it. So this one mostly used when, let's say, Hisham want to show something to Vishnu. Use this one is better. So both can actually participate rather than you go there and type. Right? Okay, so this will be end of the session. Right, thank you.